Hello everyone, we are a young team of explorers and we created this channel to take you along on our learning experience. You should subscribe and come along with us while we raise different animals, love them, and learn about different species that live among us. Teach younger students and also you here on YouTube. We also love to make new ecosystems and habitats for wildlife reproduction. One of our favorite things to do is go camping and observe the wildlife around us. We help the animals and always try to have fun while doing it. And only at BW Nature. Best drone footage, trail cam footage, learning videos, and much more. And if you like what you see, feel free to subscribe and like. You can support us even more with the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.